Get up, stretch my legs.
Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Well, today I am going to tell you what's in my bag. These are my babies for YouTube. Basically babies. I call them babies. So I'm going to tell you everything that's inside this backpack. This goes out with me every time I go out. So watch out.
Let's go. See the sun shining from the windows. Yeah. Okay.
Backpack. It's worth 30,000 naira Nigerian money because this is Nigeria, so this worth 30,000 naira. So it's basically for cameras, Jimba, and ever since I've been using it, it has always been awesome. Very easy to carry. There's a lot of comfort here. So, well, I am going to unbox what's inside my backpack. So, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. So, this is exactly what's inside my backpack. So, well, I'll start with this. This is basically for my shooting, in case if I don't want to use a camera. This is iPhone 7 Plus. This is I make use of this most times when cameras are not permitted. So this is iPhone 7 Plus. I think I bought this around 100,000 naira plus Nigerian money. So this is iPhone 7. So I'll come to this. This is Sony A6400, and well, this is actually my real baby. My friends, my colleague, my crew members, they know I call this my real baby because most times when I go out to film anything called special events, making videos for you guys, I make use of this. And this is Sony A6400, and it's awesome. I got this at the rate of 700,000 naira, and it's from Camera Joint on Instagram. And this is basically my mic. It's called Rode. So I basically use this as my mic. Well, I'm not using it today because I decided to use my personal phone to film. So this is my Rode, and I think I got that at the rate of 50,000 naira. So this is for my Rode, for my mic here. Let's move to the main aspect, and this is the new baby. I call this baby, and I call this baby too. But this is the old baby, this is the new baby, and this is my Jimba DJI Ronin SC. And I think this cost, I bought this around 250k Nigerian money. So as you can see, I think yeah. So this is my putting it off. So this is my Jimba, and well, this comes with the Jimba. It's just as a stand, just to hold the Jimba. Well, there are some kinds of sockets where, in case if my camera goes off, if I have a low battery, I make use of this. There are some kinds of sockets that doesn't fit in my charger, so I just had to make use of this to plug in. And see this, This is basically for my laptop. After filming, I have to move stuff to my laptop, so this is basically for my laptop. It has different ports, so you can actually connect 4 different USB device, and this is the HDMI part. So this is for my, and you see this connection wire is basically for my first baby and for my second baby. So that's my backpack. And what do we have here? Yeah, this is my laptop, MacBook M1 2022, no, 2021. Yeah, this is basically for my laptop. And you see this laptop, well, ever since I've been using it, it has been awesome. Trust me, it's a good machine for everybody to get. It's very durable and the battery lasts very much more longer. Once I charge it, it's used at least 48 or 24 hours before it goes off. So I have this here and my biro. See this? I call this my motivational book, and this is where I jot down things I need to do for the week. So this is where I jot down. This is just basically my stationery. So, and this is my pen. So I think that's all, basically everything in my backpack. Thank you for viewing my video. I really do appreciate. Please kindly subscribe, comment and like. Thank you. Do have a lovely day ahead. Thank you.